Hey there, how are you doing? This is Kali from Tech Fanciers. We make videos on Asus Zenfone Lite L1. So for the past few months, I have been facing issues with its power button and volume rockers. You guys know how much it affects our work in terms of installing recoveries, GSIs or custom ROMs. We try to reboot it to recovery, but it turns on in normal boot. Sometimes it actually calls 911. That is annoying. So I decided to fix it. Technician Kali is here in How Did I Make It episode 2. I was searching for the power button replacement and then I found it in MaxB. I also ran my search on Amazon and Flipkart. Finally, Flipkart had this component at a lower price around 300 rupees. I didn't go to service center. I just want to repair it myself. If the price is less than 300 in service center, just go ahead and fix it there itself, as doing it on your own may damage the component and you may lose your device entirely. Today I received my order. This is the packaging and here we have it in this white sponge. So the first thing I need to do is open the back door, which is not going to be an easy task as I never opened it before. If you are someone who bricked it, may would have opened it earlier. So here what and all tools I am going to use. Not much, nothing much. Just a SIM card sheet. This is always my ready to go tool. You can use a triangle pry opening tool, which makes this job easier than this. First you need to find the spot to get in and then you just need to swipe it all around the device. It takes some time for me as I don't want to break anything. Okay, finally I opened the back door. Now here in the top left we have the power button. Usually we need to detach the power source as the finger or the fingers are as our fingers are power conductive. That might short circuit the board. Here I am not doing it. Just not gonna touch the PCB. So we need to detach the power button from the motherboard and fix it with a new one or replace it with a new one. But there is a black tape on the connector. I will take that. Unlock the Now I will unlock the connector. You need to be careful if you break the connector by wrongly opening it. That's all. You will lose your device. So be careful. Now I unlocked the lock. Gonna take the button apart from it. Here is my new button replacement. I will peel the sticker and I will stick it in the right place. Now it is settled. I will connect it to the connector. Okay, connected. Now I will lock it. Hope it is locked fine. Now we'll power it on. This is the moment of truth. Sometimes operation success, patient death situations happen. Hope both will be successful. Success! It turned on. I fixed it super. So when it is turned on, when it is turning on, I will show you how you can clean the speaker. Here you have the six screws. One will be hidden behind the white sticker. I have peeled it already. Just unscrew and clean the speaker. Then fix it back and screw it again. I already did it, but I didn't record it, so I am unable to show you that. Now I will check if volume buttons are working. Super, the two working. I will stick that black sticker back to the connector and close the back door. Nothing much. Finally, we successfully fixed or replaced the power button. Now I can freely reboot to recovery, fast boot or anything. So that's what about this video. Leave a like and leave a comment if you enjoyed it. And subscribe to this channel to support and encourage this work. If you have any queries and concerns, feel free to follow and DM me at Instagram. TechFanciers. Thanks for watching. Komodo.